everyone, welcome to Aspire Techsoft. We are a SAS authorized training partner. So the course name is SAS Clinical Programming Fundamentals. This course covers a wide range of essential topics that combine theory with hands-on practice, perfect for anyone looking to break into the world of clinical research, data analysis, and biostatistics. This SAS training prepares you for a career as a SAS certified clinical trials programming professional, combining coursework and hands-on learning in clinical research and data analysis. Who can do this course? So, graduate and master's background in life sciences, IT statistics and biostatistics, biotechnology, pharmacy and pharmacology, medical and health sciences people, or anyone who has the background for this, they can go for the clinical SAS. Prerequisite or the things that you should know before starting this course is basic understanding of any programming languages is preferred. However, if you don't have any, that doesn't make a much difference because you will learn this course from the scratch. So if you are not knowing any programming languages, does not bother. Okay, but if you have that knowledge, it will help in grasping a more concept easily or more quickly. Okay, the course details that what you are going to learn into this program. So these are the main content you can say. Okay, so the first is base SAS Programmer. Basically, first of all, it is an instructor-led training. So training is with you while you are learning all this concept. So first one is a base SAS Programmer. So it will, in this content, you will learn the basic SAS programming, introduction to the clinical trial research, to understand the research processes and the key that phases of clinical trials. The third one is SEDIS SDTM guidelines, that is mandatory or it is needed to master the global standard for clinical trial data submission. Then there is a SAS SQL 1 and SAS micro language 1. These are called as a SAS essential, or this can be considered as a database management. So SAS SQL and SAS macros are deal with the database management. Then the 7th point is SEDIS analysis dataset model, which is also called as the ADM guidelines. So that is needed to get proficient in querying and automatic data tasks with SAS, and guidelines that is important to create an analysis ready data set. The last point is implementing the SEDIS, SDTM and ADAM with macro programming and SQL. So that is needed to combine it all for real world clinical trial program. Then the delivery mode, like how this course will be delivered. So the course is delivered, it will be a completely live web training. So you can have the authorized SAS training by sitting at your home. You just need a good laptop with a configuration and your Wi-Fi connection, and you can easily learn this course by sitting at your place. Duration for this course is 172 hours. From that, 104 hours will be completely instructor-led training, and plus, or this one is the additional benefit you get, that 68 hours of self-paced learning is there. You have your own learning material, learning videos with you, so that you can have that learning as per your convenience, as per your time. With this course, you get digital badges. So here are the two badges that you get. One is a SAS certified and one is SAS learn. So when you complete, so when you get this SAS certified badge, so when you complete your base SAS examination or the first examination, if you clear, then you will get this certification. Will be a self-paced learning of 68 hours. So in that 68 hours, these are the contents, or these are the what you can say different topics that you can get to learn. First point is data literacy essential and practices. So you can say that these are the contents are prerequisite for learning this course. So if you get knowledge of it, it will be easy to understand the basic fundamental course. So the first course that you get is Data Literacy Essential and Practice, that is for 6.5. Generative AI using SAS for 7 hours. SAS Programming for our users, that is for 14 hours. Responsible Innovation and Trustworthy AI for 7 hours. SAS Analytics Getting Started 30 hours. And Modern Data Science with SAS via Workbench and Python, that is for 3.5. So this combines makes a 68 hours, so that is called the self-paced learning. Except your this videos, what extra you will get is these are the contents that are available with you. That is the certification prep materials are available in the online form. Digital batches you get. Then webinars, blogs and SAS user videos will be there to enhance your learning and teaching experience. That will be there with. Then comes once you complete your certificate, your exam. Then or basically to have this exam, this is the exam name, which is called as a base SAS Programmer. Once you complete your course and once you are ready to give this exam, so base SAS Programmer is the first exam that anyone can first complete. Total exam marks is 1000 and out of which 75 is the passing marks. Okay. When you have to give this exam, so within a 45 days of completion of the training, that means once you complete your course, training is completed, so within 45 days you need to give this exam. And exam preparation resource, that in that you get a training course, one prep guide session, so one practice session exam will be there before your final exam to clear your doubts and to give a technical know-how and also to give the information about it. With this course, the course duration is around 4 to 5 months, but after the course itself you will get e-lab access completely for 1 year. So that means the virtual lab access is there with you, the content will be there for completely for 1 year. So that is the complementary things that you get with this course. Then very important thing, once you do this course and once you complete your examination on this and you are certified SAS professional, then what are the job roles or what are the job vacancies that you can apply? The very first is Clinical SAS Programmer, Biostatistician, you can see, Clinical Data Manager, SAS Clinical Data Analyst, Statistical Programmer, Clinical Research Associate with SAS skills, Clinical Trials Specialist, Clinical Research Coordinator and Clinical Research Associate. These are the job titles that you can get once you are ready to take the job, you are ready to give the interviews. These are the job posts that you can apply.